Hi, my name is Esmeralda. I work at the Cook Library Center, and I'm here with the Grand Rapids Public Library today making a paper craft with you for Dia de los Muertos. Today we're making marigolds. Marigolds traditionally are a flower that is used to decorate your altars in your home to remember whoever's passed away. Also, it's said to be the flower that lines the path to the other world. So for this paper craft, you're going to need two very simple materials. You're going to need some tissue paper, yellow, orange, or red work, because that's usually what color the marigolds are, and then a green pipe cleaner for your stem. If you want to be really neat about it, you can use some scissors to cut out your rectangle so it's really nicely shaped all the way around. So for the very first step, you're going to take your long tissue paper rectangle, and we're going to start folding it at one end like an accordion. So you fold it down, forward, and backwards all the way until you have one nice little accordion like this. And then for your second step, you're going to take your accordion and you're going to cut little triangles all down each side, from one side and then to another. So traditionally, altars in Mexico are decorated with photos of whoever's passed away in your family to remember them, or friends or loved ones. And then we usually use marigolds also to decorate it. Some of the favorite food of the person that's passed away usually gets cooked during the days that the Day of the Dead celebration is done. And the altar stays up in your house for as long as you want to keep it, but usually at least a couple days, from October 31st to November 2nd. So your next step, after you have these little spikes cut out of your accordion, you're going to take your pipe cleaner and you're going to just make a little loop to secure your tissue paper accordion into it. So you're going to fold it like this and twist it up. And the last step is the easiest step. You just want to spread open your accordion and kind of fluff it up to make all the petals for your flower. And gather them toward the top. You can twist it up. You want to be neat so you don't rip it, but you don't need to be too careful. And then there you have your marigolds for your altar for Day of the Dead. Thank you for joining us for this paper craft for Hispanic Heritage Month. Thank you for having us, Grand Rapids Public Library. Bye.